Hey, how y'all doing out there? This is Wakefield with another video from True Online Wealth. And what I would love to talk about today is a real $500 cash producing machine called the Premier Income System 5. As you can see, this is true. This works fantastic. And this will be the program for 27 and 18 and beyond. Get positioned now. I 100% agree. This program will bring you $500 payments to your mailbox like clockwork if you market this thing correctly and consistent. It's only going to cost you $1,000 to join. You send me 500 and you send the monitor 500. You're going to save 1,500. As you can see, it's 3 free spaces right there. You're going to get your camera ready flyers. You're going to get your report on how to approach the mail order business. And not only that, you're going to get access to our turnkey printing mail services who will print your flyers and ship them directly to your door. So, and not only that, you're saving that $1,500. And also, you're going to get the Premier Income Systems 4, 3, 2, and 1 absolutely free. And with those, you can produce $250 commissions, $100 commissions, $50 commissions, and $25 commissions. Then on top of that, you're saving $1,500 and you're going to get your report. I mean, it's just a super win-win. All you got to do is when you get your flyers, make copies, mail on a consistent basis, and just preach to your downline and bring up to your downline over and over again to mail out consistently every week. That's consistently every week because it's about duplication if you want to build a powerful mail team. Everybody needs to be on the same page and do what they need to do to make this thing really go off. I mean, I preach over and over again, there's nothing like getting, or nothing like having rather, 1,000 or even 10,000 flyers or tens of thousands of flyers with your name on it, each with a chance to bring you $500. That's just that's just mathematics. Like it says right here, that is massive leverage. And we also have a conference call every Tuesday evening, so you can be a part of that and uh, link up with like-minded individuals who does the same thing, and y'all can share different tips or tricks on what's working. So that's a plus. And like I say, you're gonna get the Premier Income Systems 4, 3, 2, and 1. I mean, it's just crazy. Then you're gonna save $1,500 if you join me. So I mean, hey, like it says right here, get positioned now. This program is probably just right at about a year old, or a little bit under a year old, and I'm telling you, this thing converts like you never seen. So I mean, that's just it, man. I mean, what more can I say? I mean, I'm gonna put the link to my blog below, and then when you get to my blog, go to the mail order programs page. You also want to most definitely check out the stamp program. I got 2 of them over there that'll help offset some of your postage costs once you throw that in with this when you mail it out, because some people might not even join you in this, but you might get 2 or 3 people in the stamp program. That's still a win-win. And if you get thousands of stamps and don't need them all, after your mailing, you can sell them for like $10 a book or whatever you want to sell them. It's 20 stamps in a book, so, or you can sell singles, 50 cents a stamp. So it's just a plus all the way around. You're gonna get the other 4 programs. You're gonna save $1,500 when you join me. You're gonna get the report, the mail report, to teach you how to approach mail order. You're gonna get our preferred turn and keep printing mail service. So I'm gonna put the link below to my blog. Go to the mail order programs tab. Check out all what I got over there. Check out the rest of the pages on my blog. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that notification bell and hop on board to the Premier Income System 5 and make $500 payments all day long. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.